What am I doing? Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh god, these. These just look awful. Oh my god, hold on. For new scratchers, a warm welcome from Wolf Star X. No copying, please. This is my OC Thunder, by the way, 500. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. I just needed to see that. I am fucking speechless. That was terrible. Not that I get to see that. No, I'm just looking at this little animation here, and it looks cool. It looks like someone who actually knew what they were doing made this. So this is a children's website basically for programming, and it's okay. Oh god, let's just get into it. I don't think I could do this. I don't think that video right there just did scratch all of the justice that it needed to have been done. So what I'm gonna do first, I think what I'm going to end up making is a platformer. If you cannot make a platformer in a gaming engine, then it's not a gaming engine. So okay, that did nothing. Could I edit the sound to make it not so loud? Softer. How do I? Where's this button supposed to do? Sorry guys. I'm not sure how I'm going to utilize sound. I'm probably going to think about that later. Um, origin point. Can I resize this? Is there a resize? You know, I'm probably going to end up just hold on. Nope. You're just going to you're going to go. Goodbye. All right. So okay. So I have decided to use this as a sprite. Don't save. Edit. Perhaps this could be a little smaller though. Image. Let's resize this to 32 by 32. Would this work? No. Probably. At, we could probably do no better than 64 by 64. Although I could probably get away with the nearest. Oh. Whatever that did. Okay, so let's resize this to 32 by 32. Nearest neighbor. Nope. Okay, I think, yeah. Oh yeah, 64 by 64. That's right. What am I even, what am I doing? Okay, so now that we have this out of the way, let's just get rid of this and this. Oh, okay, that's a problem. Um, uh-huh. So if I just say use the pencil tool, set this to white, and then used. Haha, cheating. And then I take the color picker tool and that should work. There we go. And we'll save this. New sprite from library. Upload sprite from file. And I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to announce everything I'm doing as I'm doing it. Apparently that makes a better video. Okay, so now we have less one. This, I mean, it's still not too small, but it's really the best we can do here. So let's make some platforms, hopefully. Oh, that was so good. Fully centered around the origin. So we have this, and I'm gonna paint bucket the thing in. So now we have a. We're gonna rename this. This is going to be. Okay. So now we have at least enough to test to see if this works. Except I need to rename this to this is going to be a platform. Hello? What the f Can I not? Okay, so now we get to. Can I at least duplicate this? So is there a duplicate button that I can quickly do it? Okay, so let's start with last one script. So let's say if hold on, touching. Now surely there could be a group of these, right? Maybe I'm doing this in a terrible way. So let's say if I wanted to maybe make a group of sprites, can I do that? Um, I broke it. Okay, there we go. So let's make a list. This is going to be platforms. Uh, why is my keyboard not working? My keyboard is not working. Um, why is my keyboard not working? It's kind of important that my keyboard works. This is a bit of a problem. I can uh, such a fast web browser, isn't it? All right. Um, stretch. Still got what I wanted. People also search for C++. I don't think these are on the same level. My stuff. See inside. Kind of need to edit it. That. Okay, so shut up. Okay. This color is touching what? What the hell is this? So, is this the best way to do collision detection? Because I'm confused here. So if not, what's a not? Not this, then move. Hold on. If not, then motion change X by change Y. Change Y by say 1. I guess I need. Okay, so I guess I need uh, while. Where's the while loop? Repeat until we need a data uh, win for all sprites. Repeat until win. Hmm. Can I check? Win is 0. Okay, no. Hold on. No, this is. So. Repeat until. Just Trevor. For now. And it's the wrong direction. -1. -5. Now this is where I actually need a variable here, so. So. Go away. I actually need you pinned, so I just need you to go away. This variable will be momentum upward, which would be, well, what would be like jump or just thrust? Don't show it. So if thrust, hold on, if, and then say thrust is less than -5, then change thrust by -1, and put that here. Okay. So now we need to sense key. So if and we need we need another jump. Say else if thrust actually need to change this into an if else statement. Else if sensing key space pressed, then change thrust by now I want this to be a little bit smoother than just setting it. Or would it be? Because instead of change, set it to say 10. So instead of change by thrust, so okay, so nothing's happening. Just being not being set. Set thrust to -5. Hold on. This is wrong. Should be the other way around. If thrust is greater than -5. No, go away. So oh, I can't jump. Hold on, because if you'll see. And I need and if and thrust is greater than 0, so this would be okay. So this is obviously not the way to go. Alright, so interesting. Then I can jump. So hmm. So I think this needs to be an if else then. Um, so if you're not colliding, or if you're not colliding, then go ahead and change it. Else, if So we know it is colliding if so if thrust is less than 0, we need to make sure it's not, then go ahead and do this. I think this should work. Alright. Then there's the matter of the infinite jump. Should not be able to jump if you're not on the ground. So if, instead of this, this and duplicate this. There we go. This is just me holding spacebar, and it seems to be working perfectly. So, and now we need to move around. So sensing if sensing space W, if W no, just the A and D keys. Then move. I guess we could just move them directly. Change X by 5. And then another control if. Copy this, or duplicate this. S. This is terrible, first of all. This is D. And this needs to be -5. Okay, hold on. So let's duplicate this. This one's going to have. Can we just like change the size of it instead of having to line the whole fucking thing with 50 of them? Or can I just be cheeky? Does this check the background? So let's say we have a stage here. Delete. Looks like this. So it does. Not the most complicated thing in the world. Now this could be a mechanic. Hold on. Or you could just... You can wall jump. Actually, in fact, screw using sprites. Just draw the background. Hello. No need for you. No. No need for you. Not need more of you. Come on. Now we have... Very simple stage. Okay, so we have this. Very speedrunnable, because you could walk through the wall. First of all. Yeah, no collision detection on the sides. So, let's fix that. Just gonna go in here. So if not... I don't want to say if colliding with black, because if I do that, then once you hit a wall, you will never be able to move again. So... I also don't want you to move in directions if you... Yeah, because that'll cause jitter. Now, the very obvious engine limitation here is that I cannot perform calculations without them happening in real time. So, like, the collision detection in my game actually has the player jittering backwards every time they hit a wall. But since the game doesn't, like, update the screen until after all of that's done, you don't see anything change. Here, if I did that, it would look shit. So, And obviously I cannot allow this to happen. So, shit. This is probably something I'd have to work around. This is pen. Can I draw? Hold on, this would actually be pretty cool if I could say if, hold on, sensing, if, hold on, if, hold on, I need to select right here. Events, control, mouse down. So if, say, on, since all of the code is in here, actually, no. So one, so forever. Now all of a sudden the pen is... Well, then what's the pen? Huh. What the hell? It's different in here. weird. I was gonna say, if you could draw in real time, then my next costume, so it looks like it'd be very easy to change. Use a walking animation. But I don't feel like making the sprites for that, so. So then at the very end, I could just say, wait, 1 divided by 60. Oh. 1/60th of a second is 0.05, probably. 1 divided by 60. 0.16. 0.16. So with this, I now have frame rate control. Okay, so let's include some hazards. So if so control if then if sensing. So duplicate this, except instead of this, let's say red. So I'm not. Pen red. This is bad. Don't touch that. So if that, then let's see. So scripts on Osmon. If this is touching that, then set. Go to and -174, -142. So basically what it said already. There we go. With this kind of engine, you'd be then be. So let's go over here. Yeah, and then finally we just need for the really green. So let's say backdrop. Let's say green. So a circle here. This. Come on. But hold on. So then if finally if duplicate color is touching that, then please do not display. Say win. Need a variable win. I saw the word switch, and I was like, wait a minute. This software has a switch statement? That's strange. Okay, so data set win to 1. There we go. And so we then take this out and then say while repeat until win equals 1. So then that. Okay, so and it just exits the loop, and then at the bottom here we can say, I don't know, what events can we do? Set win to 0. Okay, so now what we have here is, yeah, what we have in this engine is the jankiest collision detection I've ever seen, but it works. So whatever. Actually, this would be more appropriate here, and then um, you allow you win. Oh, edit, delete. You win. There we go. Now we have uh, play sound recording 1. So now when you win. You win. You win. You win. Hold on. I need to. There we go. You win. Oh, this this is great. So yeah, we were talking about the recording, not this game engine. Awful, awful game engine. Why does it say your camera and microphone? It's strange. Why is it constantly recording what my microphone's doing? Come on, I have OBS doing that already. So I guess what's left to do is just to make this thing harder. Since it's only his ass that's being collision detected, we have to kind of work around that a little bit. So let's say let's just, instead of doing that, I don't know how possible that is. I don't know how possible any of this is. So now we have a game. Okay. So little little less little less cheap on that a little bit. That's a solution. Just make the You win. There we go. And now let's make the insides of these red. Make it a little harder to cheat. Oh, that makes the beginning part a little difficult. Oh, fuck. Ah, okay. Oh. Wait, what? Excuse me. I didn't. Doesn't appear that my what? Oh boy. I'm doing the same damn thing over and over again. Is this annoying you guys yet? I suppose that's a way to cheat. You win! Okay. I don't think that's actually going to be in the real game, though. Hopefully not. Alright, so I think the last thing we could do to make this stupidly difficult is to add more hazards. And a little cheap shot right there. Red is bad and green is not. I think that's juvenile enough for it. I'm going to be honest, 75% of the children on this website are not going to be able to beat this game at all. I think maybe 5 will be able to beat the first jump. Oh, this is a very tricky. Oh my, oh my. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is possible. I believe it is. Oh, if I do that. Oh. Oh wait. I think I know what I'm supposed to do here. No matter how difficult it is to change, I will not, or difficult it is to beat, I will not change this. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do you guys a favor and hold on. Okay, yeah, that'd be hilarious if that worked. Ooh. Maybe what I'm supposed to do is not press D at all. I'm supposed to just kind of land in the... Oof. I will beat this. Mark my words. I will sit here and beat this until... Okay. Okay, you know what? Okay. This needs to change. Should be a relatively simple fix though. Just remove this thing. Yeah, that should make it easier. It's a tricky jump, but it is very much possible. Oh my. Oh! I'm just gonna jump to the point which I actually beat this. Ah! No! Oh, man. Oh, so close. Oh man, I could do this though. I don't know why I tried to do that fancy shit. You win! Hey hey! Okay, so this is the point in which I go, that's enough, and share. Hold on. And need to move left and right. Bum. Did I hit Control A? God damn it. This one's... You just aren't. You're not beating this, you just aren't. And... There we go. So yeah. And finally, let's see what other people have made. We've seen that we've seen we need games, not these dumb things. Whoa. Whoa. What the hell? Okay, that is cool. How the hell did he do that? Well, we can see. Wow. So, in conclusion, this is a neat little thing to mess around with, but not good for making anything practical. And as you can see, as you've seen by the first thing we've seen, the community isn't exactly good or old. So, yeah, I hope you. Hold on. Excuse me. Um. Um. Okay. Nope. I'm done. Thanks for y'all for watching. I don't want this to become going off the deep end part 2, so I'll just leave it at that. I'll see you guys later.